Hi, good morning. I'm Andrew with Collis Roofing. I'm sure y'all have seen our trucks around town. We've been servicing roofs in Central Florida here for over 30 years. If you haven't had the pleasure of working with us on your roof, please give us a call. We'd be happy to come out and give you a replacement estimate. We just got some new swag bags in for the next 100 estimates that we write. If you're in our coverage area, your roof is at least 15 years old, and you own your home, please give us a call and we'd be happy to come out and give you an estimate. You'll be receiving one of these swag bags that we just got in with some helpful items in it for the hurricane season. First, we've got a vinyl document holder to make sure all your important documents stay dry. Second, we've got a hand crank and solar powered weather radio so you can stay informed with the news. You got to be able to find everything, so here's a flashlight when the power goes out. We've also got a solar powered battery charger for all your portable devices to keep those charged up. And you can keep all that stuff in this wonderful bag. Please give us a call, 1-877-COLLIS-1. We'd be happy to come out and provide you an estimate.